Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to post entries into NetSuite. To post a journal entry, go to Transactions, Financial, Make Journal Entries. Select the custom form you want to use. Fill in the required fields, such as subsidiary, date, posting period, memo, and other details. Always ensure that all details are entered accurately to maintain data integrity and avoid accounting errors. In the line sub-list, enter each debit and credit line. Choose accounts, amounts, departments, classes, etc. Once you've completed entering all journal entry details, click Save to post the transaction. If approval is required, send the journal entry for review to complete the process. Once approved, the journal entry will be automatically posted to the general ledger. To view the GL impact of the journal entry, click the Actions button and select GL Impact from the drop-down menu. You'll see that the GL impact mirrors the amounts and accounts entered in the journal entry. And that's a wrap for this video. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.